Open the job you want to estimate costs for, then select this icon. The estimate screen appears. The job information appears in the upper right. In the Local Settings drop-down menu, create a preset with the proper currency and tax rate used in your printing location. You can create a custom preset by selecting this button. In the Ink Cost drop-down menu, select the estimated ink cost for this job. You can create a custom preset by selecting this button. In the Other Cost section, select any other costs that may apply to your job, such as shirt and pre-treat expenses. You can create a custom item by selecting this button. You can make multiple custom items and apply them to specific jobs using their checkboxes. Then click Estimate Job. The estimate results appear at the bottom right. If you want to save your estimate results, click either Export Browser or Export CSV. To open your job history, select this button. Your history screen appears. You can review information for sent or exported jobs, or open job files and print them again. By default, your history is not saved. To save your history, click History Storage Setup and change your settings.